let's talk about the TikTok influence on Amazon KDP as a
Yeah,
whole, because you were one of the first early adopters
yeah,
to really having TikTok kind of blow up. Yeah, it was probably like you and probably Lexi,
hmm,
when I kind of think about it. So can you talk about what you've seen? And then big numbers are great if you have like,
yeah.
hey, what are some of your bigger months? But then also like, how has that changed your mindset or how you look at publishing as a whole?
Man, that's a really good question. So what I saw initially was like, oh, if I can just go viral on TikTok with anything, then I'm just going to make a ton of money on KDP. And what I learned very early on, as I was kind of seeing this, was that a lot of the big companies, like we're not talking like books specifically, but like Goalie, like multivitamins and like all that kind of like stuff, they were
Hmm.
really just going to break even on TikTok Shop because of the massive halo effect, as they call it, that just would affect their Walmart sales, their website sales, their targets, like just everything just blowing up in that way. So for me, it was like I was more than happy to just break even on TikTok because of that halo effect, and that's really what I was going for. In short, when I went viral on TikTok, it essentially just 10x my KDP account overnight.
Wow.
Yeah. So I was like, oh, if I could just do that with every single book I have, now I can publish 5 books and then, I just take them all and make them go viral on TikTok. And each one of those could be a 10K, 15, 20K royalty a month book, essentially.